Wat she just said, I've got some tunes for you. Yeah. This first one is for Mikey. Stay safe, brother, wherever you are. Oh, yeah.
Mikey's forgiving, but his heart isn't steady. He drinks to remember the game. Pictures and books, old and withered, he cries out of passion and shame. Margot and Sally picked up where they left as they bury their childhood dreams. You can hope for the best, but nothing will stay as it seems. Lying stretched out on a dining room table, searching for comic relief. Called up some friends who were willing and able to drown all your complex beliefs. Mikey, my friend, there's no beginning or end. You're tired, so go back to sleep. Keep a safe distance. The fall you could take is too deep. Constant reminder, the glass is shattered and stained. You comb back your hair in the hope you will find her. It's a promise you think you have made. She danced on the pavements outside of your house, burning bright as a neon light fades. Running towards her, but it always seems you're too late.
Alrighty. The song is about fear and extreme panic attacks. Extreme panic attacks that leave you kind of paralyzed. Yet you keep on fighting to survive. Yeah.
I am sorry, but it's fear that brought me to your door. Took the shortest cut, deeper than I've been before. Older now, the truth comes out and kills this storm. But rest assured, you will be heard as you're taking form. Will you hold me down as I try to live up to your dreams. The weakest flesh, but an honest better, so I seem. There it goes, the underflow takes you piece by piece, and it's understood. You just wished you could breathe in sweet release. Underflow takes you piece by piece, and it's understood. You just wished you could breathe in sweet release.
All right, I got one more for you. I wrote this one today, so bear with me. It's a kind of a final guy at the bar tune. When the evening is very eerie and melancholic, and there's hope in the bottom of your glass.
Pour another for the night is long. There is still some time to kill. Forgotten sayings on the window panes, selling dreams to pay the bill. You call her high, a strange smile gives you hope, my friend, till it starts again. Set the record straight, it is not too late. Lose the cause but keep the faith. Keep it very near till it disappears. They are right outside your door. Drowned himself in gasoline as he calls the name of his God. Turn a cheek and win, there's still room for sin when you're getting high, and it creeps right in. Shaking hands with hate at the stony gates. Lose the cause but keep the faith. Shaking hands with fate at the stony gate. Lose the cause but keep the faith.